Brigit approval decisions depend on a user's financial information, account details, and the AP's review process, so there is no single approval result that applies to everyone. If you are checking Brigit and wondering what your chances look like each week, the main things to understand are how approval decisions work, what can affect eligibility, and what you can do before applying. First, approval is not based on just one detail. Financial apps typically review multiple pieces of information to decide whether a user qualifies for available features. This means one person may have a different result from another person using the same app. Your account activity can play a role because the app needs information to evaluate your situation. Keeping your connected financial information accurate helps the review process work correctly. The second thing to understand is that approval results can change over time. A user who does not qualify at one point may have a different result later if their financial information or account activity changes. If you are checking your approval status regularly, focus on whether your information is updated and whether your account details are accurate. Small changes in your financial situation can affect how an app evaluates your request. The third thing to look at is expectations. Approval is not guaranteed, and seeing other users share their experiences does not mean the same result will happen for everyone. Your own account information is what matters most. Before applying or checking again, review the information connected to your Brigit account. Make sure details are correct, and understand that approval decisions are based on your individual situation. The biggest takeaway is simple. Brigit approval is personalized, your financial information matters, and your result can be different from another user's experience. If you are trying to understand your chances, the practical next step is to check your account information and review the eligibility details shown inside the app. For more app reviews and practical guides that explain how money tools work, like the video and subscribe.